So guys, today I would like to explain to you the core importance of what is called Tumcing, a kind of hand blowing. Before I show you, let me summarize for you the 7 key uses of Tumcing. The first one is entertainment. Second one is in love. The third one is in celebration, and the fourth one is signaling. The fifth one is an animal. The sixth one is in music, and then the last one is play. So to get it up, let me show you how Tumcing is made. You have your hands like this. You have to make these 2 fingers divide equally like this, as you can see. So you put them together. See, first put like this, then you make it come this way, this side, exactly like this. You have made the hand of Tumcing. So when you blow it, you put your lips here, plus your cheek here, like this. As you can see. You can hear the sound, it's so nice. Those who know what Tumcing is, they are now feeling the sweet memories about Tumcing. Let me do it again. So when you want to change some kind of tonation, you open this side like this. Like this. See, that's Tumcing. Now back to the explanation of the uses. In entertainment, Tumcing, you have ever heard it being used in music, like this song of Leo Palayenko, Margarania. vital for music in Acholi. Earlier I talked about this and entertainment. I gave examples of many songs, the Bagungu songs of Acholi, which play with Tumcing, people blow Tumcing, celebrate, so on and so on. So you realize that it's part of a very important thing in Acholi culture, which some people undermine, not only Acholi but also Luo and large. Then, lastly, for play, kids, elders, and some people can choose to play with Tumcing. They can say, let's blow it. They can say competition, blowing Tumcing. So, those are all uses of Tumcing. I hope you subscribe to this channel so that you know more about rural culture and also other entertainment and news content which will always be brought to you. Thank you and I salute you. Bye bye.